Hey, this is Reatha here in Meridian Ranch with your no frills Meridian Ranch Market Watch update for the week of November 11th. So we've had a pretty good week. What I wanted to start off with is to let you know how Meridian Ranch is set up, because I think a lot of people don't know that. You see it, but you may not know that. I've got 2 minutes to tell you about it and 2 minutes to give you a market update. So with that said, the Meridian Ranch area includes Meridian Ranch, that's including the estates. You have Stonebridge at Meridian Ranch, Rolling Hills Ranch at Meridian Ranch, the Vistas at Meridian Ranch, as well as the Winding Walk. This week we currently have about 37 homes on the market. 25 of them are ranch floor plans. So if you're looking for a ranch floor plan, this may be the place to look. Our home prices have ranged from about $469,000 on the low to about $700,000 on the upper end. Median sales, the median list price right now, the list price is about $549,000 and the average list price at $566,000. We're averaging about 49 days on the market. In the last 7 days since our last report, 5 homes have sold in this community, and they've ranged from $500,000 to $680,000. Now, if you're a homeowner right now, or you have your properties on the market and you're going, where's my number? These are averages and medians, so they fall in the middle there. So median sales price $575,000, 9 days on market. Average sales price $591,000 with 22 days on the market. I just want to encourage you, as this market is changing, we're getting into a new season, continue to prepare your home, price your home correctly. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. My name is Reatha Butler, broker owner of Ashley Residential. I'm here to help you real estate confidently. My information is below. Would love to meet you, to sit down and talk to you about living here in Meridian Ranch. It's great market opportunities. Give me a call if you have any questions. And my 2 minutes are over. Thank you very much for listening. Take care.